Hi, I just want to share this junk journal that is a custom made junk journal. And the theme is outdoors, woodland animals, camping, hiking. There's 3 signatures with some beads and buttons with coordinating colors. The colors that this person liked, was forest green and midnight blue. That's all incorporated. This is all machine stitched around the fabric. It's padded with the bubble envelope to make it really crunchy. The pocket there is an image of her favorite animal is the deer with the spots on it. I've got pocket right there, the tag and the library card, and I had a stamp set that had forest animals, and I put the deer on the library pocket. These images that I printed off, I purchased from Compass and Ink. I added, of course, the pen holder with the coordinating forest green color of a gel pen. And the camping images, pockets, ephemera, did some stamping on a coffee dyed guest check, little coin pocket with a tag, has the chipmunk there. This is a 2-tiered pocket. Here's another skinny tag bookmarker. Little tuck spot here, the first pocket. And here is the pocket with a postcard journal card. And I fussy cut butterfly image, glued it on there. This is a little side pocket. Coffee dyed papers. Lots of space to write on, of course. I inked the edges with Tim Holtz ink. There's a little porcupine in that image. Coffee dyed papers. These are tea dyed. These ones are tea dyed. There's a sack for a side pocket. The tag. And a little envelope with a little journal card inside. And this little tuck spot. And another pocket with the porcupine there. Holds a little tag and some stamping there of some wildflowers. And there's 5 or 6 ruffled fabric tabs. They're machine stitched. Some stamping. Graph paper. Side pocket with some stationery. And here is some deer for a color page in the center of the first signature. And then there's stamped images. Another pocket with a tag. Has the mushroom, morel mushroom, whatever you call them. Here's some tags. Right here, held in the side pocket of this paper sack. And a sticker, nature sticker with a mushroom. The coffee dyed papers, tea dyed, I mean. There's a hiking bag, outdoorsy bag. There's that other side of the manila envelope with some extra pockets made out of the ephemera, and the envelope holding another tag. Couple tags in this one, some skinny tags you could use for bookmarkers. And there's a doe image, and there's this upper pocket with some ephemera. there. I did some machine stitching on the perimeters with some dark green sewing thread. I like this one with the camera. Images. Here's some midnight blue paper with a pocket, a tuck right here, ephemera, another manila envelope there with a pocket with a tag of a mushroom. Then we got a butterfly journal card with the green burlap tab on it. Little belly band on the other side with the journal card. And got all these. And there's the deer stamped image. We got some acorns there. Right here is a stamped image of a boat, a little rowboat on the side of a beach. Has a little quote there. I love these images. They're very vintage. I like them. Some more tea-dyed papers. Some children's writing paper. This is a calendar that I machine stitched 2 calendar images together and put side pockets on both. And it has a verse here from Isaiah. I will open rivers in high places and fountains in the midst of the valleys. And here's another one from Psalms. Praise the name of the Lord, for his name alone is excellent. His glory is above the earth and heaven. And just keep going on. You know the drill. There's, oh, I love that stamp right there. It's a fox. Cute little fox. Forest animal. Another tuck spot for some little tags and tickets. Journal card. It's a postcard that came with the kit from Compass and Ink. Another fussy cut image of a dark green butterfly. Belly band in this one, and a tag, and I stamped some images on this receipt. I don't want to take it all the way out because it's kind of hard to get it back in there. I love this image. That's pretty cool. Camping, hiking, mushrooms, toadstools. Here's a belly band, and oh, I love this image of this journal card here of little Bambi. And here's the envelope with some, I added my own stationery to the envelope. It says, create in me a clean heart, a pure heart, from Psalms. This is one of those envelopes that's a freebie template that you get off of Pinterest. And it went well with the theme of this particular junk journal. Here's some more calendars made into side pockets. Beautiful landscapes. This was from a sunset calendar. And here's a little paper bag. Side pocket. Little tag there. And then some nature stickers. And lots of tea-dyed papers. Lots of room to write on. That's the most important part. Beautiful images, vintage. I love that too. Look like a hiking trail. And I do have a little chipmunk right there stamped on there. You can't see it very well because it's kind of dark, coffee-dyed cardstock. And there's a little bunny, forest bunny. And that, we're almost there. And this is an eagle color page. And he's got a side pocket right there. Lots of spaces to write. There's a little forest bunny. I love that little campfire there, and it has the campfire song. It's got the music. Get your guitar out and read the music, or your keyboards. There's some ferns. And then the other side of the paper sack with the tag. A little belly band that holds a coin envelope with a tag in there. I added some stickers on there. More stickers. A calendar page. Here's the belly band on one of the last pages. Here's a guest check with some stamped images and a journal card. And there's that squirrel. And there you go. And then I like to put on there handmade with love on the back page of most of my journals that I give away, custom made. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.